Hello again, a new day, a new project. Today I'm gonna try to fix a keyboard. That's a Roland E16. That's a pretty old keyboard, but still alive and very good for teaching piano or stuff like this. So there are some issues about the keys velocity. This one here, you see, doesn't matter how I press it. The velocity, it's always the same. Or if I press it, the other one, look here. So, and there is another one here, the other C. And now I have to put it on my desk and start opening up. It's a lot of screws, I can tell you from the beginning. Have these ones first. There is a little trick if you want to have a magnetic driver. Just use a magnet on the screwdriver, and there we are. And we have a nut, and there we go. Let's have a look inside here. So I have the switchboard here, and this is the keys. All I have to do now is to take off keys, and for that I need to take these screws out too. Some more magnets here. Okay, and of course out it is. We don't need that for now. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna clean this part here. How are we gonna do that? First of all, we take out these springs here. You can try like this also. With the screwdrivers, just go and push up. It's even easier. Very easy. Get the keys, you just push it up from the bottom and straight forward. Don't try to take the black ones before the white, because it's not working like that. Okay, so the black keys doesn't really matter. It can be in any position. The important are the white ones, you know, to have be replaced in the same order. So now we are here in this position. I'm going to take the rubber contacts one by one. Use a little bit of alcohol. For dust, first of all, that's fine, and they are pretty clean. It's looking like to take this out, clean it, check the contacts, and I'm gonna do that for each of them. Okay, so I want to clean this about dust, and a very good idea is take this out Okay, I'm taking the board out. You see, most of the problems are coming because of debris here. These boards are not cut it properly, and there are a lot of debris, you know, coming from breaking the boards. So what I found out, and it's a very good idea, is to use a little bit of sandpaper. Clean up the debris. I'm going to use some nail lacquer. Well, I can tell you that's a little bit of work, but it's really worth it. It will be no more problem with the contacts after. And we can even do like this. And this is perfect because the lacquer will keep all the dust and everything in place afterwards. You know, this one it's drying really fast. Now I have a little bit of alcohol. That's isopropylic alcohol over there. Cleaning the contacts. This one here was with the problem. So I'm gonna use a pencil. This is graphite. You can do like this to refresh the carbon contacts a little bit. So I don't have to go down any further because in this area the keys are not so used. So here was the main problem. It was C3, the middle C over here. It's nice. Back in place, screws on. Okay, now let's put the rubbers back in place. Clean it for dust, and to be sure that everything will be okay over there, we have to put a little bit of graphite here too. So this is a graphite pencil, like a crayon. You see, here is a little trick to make the things go easier. We can use a stick like this. So we go with the big holes first. You see, these have some different sizes fits, big and thin. We go with the big ones first. In place, like this. And then we take the little ones. If you use a stick like this with a little bit of care, then everything goes very nice and easy. Beautiful, fresh as a daisy. And the other one, the big ones first. Don't push it too hard because the rubber then can get broken. We don't want to do that. Come on, yes. And now the little one. You need to be gentle here. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same with all the other things. Now I'm gonna clean this for debris also and have the same lac added here, and then I'll put all the things together. It's time to have the cues back. We're gonna start with a black one here. You have to put the black first. Last one, Peter. Okay, now it's time to have springs, so all you have to do is take them like this, put them down there first and up here, and it's very easy to do that. I may say this kind of keys Roland developed are very easy to maintain and to clean and fix, and all those rubber contacts, they are cheap, easy to find. We have to check for the strings to be in a proper position down here. Feels good, perfect. Okay, so the keys are back in place. Let's not have the top yet. We can give a try like that, okay? Power supply. There we go. This one was with the problem. The velocity is back. Yeah, this is fixed too. Yeah, the problem is fixed. This was for today. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, it will help me a lot for my future project. And in the meantime, till we see you together again, be safe and don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.